Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly Aussie dollar, I still think this is like three ways up for a W. It looks like three ways down for an X. I still think it's going to make three ways up for a wave Y, which will most likely take out this high before I would see another attempt to continue the downtrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as higher highs, higher lows. I think it's actually a wave A. I think this is now an A, B, C, D, and E. It's most likely is going to go down to probably at least a 78% to finish off this pattern. Probably an A, B, C, D, E of wave B, and then back up again for that wave C of wave Y, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is, like I said, an A, B, C, D, E, and I think that's the end of the wave D, and I think we're in a downtrend right now for the wave E. I still don't see any sign that this is over, and I still think there's a good possibility that it's going to continue down to that 78% fib level that I was showing on the longer time frames. So definitely still primarily looking for sorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this kind of looks to me like a three-wave triple zigzag, like a three-wave up. W, three waves down, X, lower low, so that's like an irregular wave X, and then three waves up for wave Y. It looks like impulsive down, corrective up. I think there's a very good chance this downtrend is not over and that it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, telling me that on the shorter time frames are definitely going to continue to look for sorts in a downtrend. So taking it right down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I believe this is the end of that wave Y. What's happened at the dollar is CPI inflation data yesterday. We got impulsive down. This move up didn't even make it to the 23%, which is why I was kind of thinking it may end up making a bigger correction. But the dollar looks like it's trying to end the correction, and if the dollar ends the correction, this is probably going to end the correction also and just keep on trending down. So if it does make an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, I'm definitely going to take that as a short. And then if I see any more pullbacks along the way as it goes down, I would definitely take those as shorts also, and maybe even build a position to the short side all the way down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.